When you go through, merong awkward stage, di ba? Pag teenager, andyan yung you're getting to know yourself, yung sarili mong pagkatao, meron dyan yung medyo confused ka, merong iba nagiging addicted to drugs or alcohol, or yung barkada, o kung ano-anong ginagawa sa eskwela, o hindi mo mapasok sa eskwela. Na-experience mo ba yun? Pinagdaanan mo ba yun?
Marami akong naging buhay. Marami akong naging buhay. I've lived a lot of lives. Kasi I believe in the saying na you have to experience life talaga eh.
To the fullest.
To the fullest.
Sayang nga naman.
Kaya hanapin mo talaga yung extremes mo on both ends eh. Tapos, ang pinakamasarap doon, yung buhay sa gitna becomes colorful. And you learn from your mistakes eh. So basically, marami rin ako naging mali. Like with my relationships. Not just with myself, but with my relationships. Di ba? Marami rin akong naging mali sa buhay na siguro kinukorek